All right, Christian Rivera here at Classic Cars of Palm Beach. We're doing a walk around video on this 2019 Jeep Renegade. Neat vehicle, but we do these videos to point out any flaws or blemishes on these cars just so there's no surprises for our out-of-town buyers. Let's get started right away. Front bumper looks real good. A little bit of a blemish here, some separation. Grille looks great. Hood looks fantastic. The fender still looks great. Front wheel looks good. Tires are weak. It's going to need a set of tires on the front at least. Side of the car on the driver's side, no major scratches, dents, or dings. Little scuff here. Actually, I take that back. The tires on the back are in really good shape, so maybe just front tires. This car's got a dent right here. Tail lights are in good shape, all functioning properly. It's got the extra floor mats, Beats stereo system. We bought this car knowing it had a dent because of the value. The value is just tremendous. No structural damage or anything like that. Rear wheel looks good. Passenger side looks great also. Let's take a look inside. There's no chips, no stars, no bursts, no cracks on the glass. This does have the two removable panels. Interior buttons on the driver's door looks great. Speaker looks good. Leather's in great shape. Take a quick look at the rear seats also. Okay. Dash looks real good. Steering wheel looks good. All the buttons look real good. Headliner looks real good. Passenger seat. Oh. Alright, we've got a bulb ordered for the left turn signal, and it is getting an oil change. So those will be taken care of prior to delivery. AC is ice cold. There's no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell. Let's take a look up underneath the hood. Alright, no oil leaks. Really great running car. Outside of a few cosmetic items, this is a great car with super low miles. And there you go.